Today is February 14th, 2012, Valentine's Day, and we are going to try squash for the first time. You ready for squash? Let's see if you like this as much as you like sweet potato. Oh my gosh. You... Okay. You okay? Are you supposed to gag like that? I don't know if I should give you more. I don't want you to vomit. Aw. Aw. You don't like... Let me go get you a spoon. Hold on. Maybe I should water it down. Oh, it's not a good face, huh? You didn't like it too much? Let's try again. I have to taste this. I want to know what you're... It's not that great, huh? You getting used to it? Or no? It's not that great, huh? It's not that great. You want some more? Alright. I love your face. You shaking everything. You get the chills. Yo. Whoa. You're probably like, where is my sweet potato? Just when I was getting used to it, huh? Yeah. Ah, yum. Why are you making me laugh? You're making mommy laugh. Ready? You think it's funny like mommy? Oh my goodness, baby. I don't want to see your poop after this one. Okay, I don't even know. I don't think I should feed you anymore if you keep gagging. Oh. You wanna let's stop for a moment.